5 o'clock. It is time now for the weather magician with PJ Wiggins, the late night, the evening report. Saturday, July 6, 2013. Good evening, everybody. On the Saturday evening, our current conditions at 5 p.m. in North Massachusetts. Temperature 92 degrees with a humidity of 49%. Wind speed west about 8 miles per hour. Barometer 29.99 inches. 2.78 degrees and a visibility of 10 miles and a heat index of 98 degrees. Alright, we're going to take a look at our satellite photograph, our radar picture, and then it shows a couple of little clusters of showers of thunderstorms in the western seventeenth New York, stretching into central Pennsylvania and northwestern Pennsylvania, and a couple of popcorn clusters of showers of thunderstorms stretch on eastern Ohio near Youngstown, extending going into the Pittsburgh area about an hour or two. And another line of showers of thunderstorms stretch from southeast Michigan, south of Detroit, stretching into western and central Ohio, into Toledo, into Columbus, into Cincinnati, and stretching down into Kentucky, down to eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina, eastern Tennessee, stretching into western Georgia and eastern Alabama near Atlanta, and stretching down into Alabama and western Florida into the Gulf Coast, stretching down into Mississippi and near Louisiana, and stretching down into the Gulf Coast. And another showers and thunderstorms stretching from southwestern Michigan, and a couple of rain showers in eastern Illinois, stretching to western Indiana, and a couple of popcorn clusters of showers and thunderstorms stretching from eastern and central Missouri, stretching to southeastern Missouri, down into western Kentucky and northwestern Tennessee, and stretching to northeastern Memphis and northwestern Arkansas, and another batch of showers stretching from eastern Kansas down to central and southern Kansas, and a white batch of showers and thunderstorms from northern Minnesota and central Minnesota, stretching down to northern Ontario, and another batch of showers thunderstorms stretching from northeastern North Dakota, stretching to northeastern South Dakota, western Minnesota, and a couple of bulbous showers in central Saskatchewan, stretching into western Manitoba and down to southern Manitoba. And a wide popcorn cluster of showers and thunderstorms in the Four Corners region of Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona. And it's raining in northern and central Arizona, which they might want to need because it's been dry in Arizona virus. They might want to need some rain here. And it's raining in the Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, stretching into Montana down to northeastern Idaho and down into southern Idaho.
First time I saw a Sony 4K TV, it was like opening my
right.
times the detail of HD.
We are under a heat advisory. Special weather statement until further notice.
Details become clearer.
Urgent heat index will be just above 100 degrees this afternoon. Heat advisory. High temperatures today will warm into the low 90s across lower elevations into southern New England. This heat combined with high humidity will result in heat index values or just above 100 degrees during the afternoon. Heat advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. It's to daylight time. Location, lower elevations across New England. Heat index values will meet or exceed 100 degrees as temperatures reach in the low 90s with high humidity. Time and at peak, the heat and humidity will occur.
The more you stay, the more rewards you get. Great.
This afternoon between 12 p.m. and 6 p.m. It impacts persons outdoors for prolonged periods of time could be most susceptible to heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids and stay out of the sun when possible.
Standing by you from day one. Now that's progressive. I'm Terry.
Precautionary preparedness actions. The heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. The combination of hot temperatures and high humidity will combine to create a situation in which illnesses are possible. Avoid prolonged work in the sun or in poorly ventilated areas. Drink plenty of fluids and stay in an air-conditioned environment. Stay out of the sun and check in on relatives and neighbors. And take extra precautions if you work or spend time outside when possible. With scheduled strenuous activities or early morning or evening, notice signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing when possible, and drink plenty of water. To reduce this risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends a schedule and frequent rest breaks in shaded air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Hazardous weather outlook. Day 1 to night. Heat advisory. And days 2 for 7. Sunday for Friday. No hazard weather expected at a time. And there's a special weather statement just released about 25 minutes ago. It's heat advisory possible for Sunday, as high temperatures for Sunday will be around the upper 80s, lower 90s, making it the 5th day in a row for temperatures greater than 90 degrees for parts of southern New England. Humidity levels are anticipated to remain unchanged. While conditions may seem favorable for the insurance of heat advisories, expected cloud cover and potential wet weather may be. A peak heat index values will reach the 100 degree mark by the midday in the afternoon on September. Rain police throughout. Subsequently, the heat advisory has not been issued, but remains under consideration for Sunday.
wanted to.
In case with a continued oppressive heat and humidity, people outdoors for prolonged periods of time could be more successful heat illnesses. It remains encouraged that everyone should drink plain foods and stay out of the sun when possible. Alright, 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
We haven't seen your
For tonight, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before 8 p.m. Patchy podcast goes low on 68 degrees. North
there.
west wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. For Sunday, mostly sunny with a high under 93 degrees. Light available wind becomes southwest about 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Sunday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 2 a.m. and a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before after 5 a.m. Some of the storms produce gusty winds and heavy rain, mostly guided with a low on 70 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 8 miles per hour, becoming calm in the evening. Chance of precipitation 30%. The rainfall mass less than a 10 inch except higher mass possible in thunderstorms. Monday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms before 11 a.m. Then a chance of showers between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. Then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after 2 p.m. Patchy fog after before 9 a.m. Otherwise, pot Saskatchewan high under 89 degrees. Light southwest wind about increase at about 6 to 11 miles per hour in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 21 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And when no rainfall mass between a 10th and a quarter inch except higher mass possible in thunderstorms. Monday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the clouds are low on 67 degrees. Southwest wind about 5 to 9 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 30%. The rainfall mass between a 10th and a quarter inch except higher mass possible in thunderstorms. Tuesday, a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Part of the sun skies high under 85 degrees. Chance of precipitation 20%. Tuesday night, most clouds low on 66 degrees. Wednesday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Part of the sun skies high under 85 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Cloudy with a high low near 31 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Thursday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most clouds high under 85 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Thursday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most clouds low on 68 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most of the clouds high under 82 degrees. Chance of precipitation 40%. Friday night, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most clouds low on 66 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. And for Saturday, a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Most clouds high under 82 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Peters, what a phrase all the day and evening. Another hot one on tap for tonight and another steamy one for tomorrow. This is PJ Winston. Have a good evening with a good positive attitude.
Maybe I wish one day it could be.